Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another tool review video. Today we're having a look at the Fiskars 10-inch soft grip folding saw. I did buy this with my own money from Bunnings Warehouse in Australia, and I'll put the retail price up on the screen here at how much these sell for. You might have already seen my video on the 5-inch pocket boy folding saw, and if you haven't, I'll link that video down below for you. And the problem with that is the size of it. I mean, it is a pocket saw which is designed to fit in your pocket, whereas this one probably won't fit in your pocket. It'll go on your work truck, in your toolbox or in your backpack, but it definitely won't fit in your pocket without the majority of it sticking out. And I did buy this to carry with me in my work car or to take with me when I'm camping. It does have some information on the back here that you might want to read, so if you want to read it, just pause the video. Now it does have a warning here saying cut hazard, sharp blade. You would hope so, wouldn't you? Anyway, let's open this up and have a bit of a closer look at it. Well, that was easy. First impressions, it's quite light. It's not very heavy. I suppose it's a plastic handle, and this is hard plastic, and this part here, the orange bit, is rubberized, giving it a little bit of extra grip. You actually get some nice grip on that orange part, you can tell, whereas this part here, the black part, is just quite slippery plastic. That's it there, and the saw's actually locked in the closed position, and there's a button here that you need to press to be able to unfold the saw. So let's press that button, and then it will lock into that position there, which is your first position. And you can see it is quite a decent sized saw once it's unfolded. The grip is actually really good. You've got some decent strong grip on that. It's not going to go anywhere. I really actually like that. The blade is reasonably flexible, and there seems to be a little bit of play there, but I can't see that being too much of an issue when you're cutting. So it gives you two options, one for underhand cutting and one for overhand cutting. So let's go outside and find some things that need trimming, and we'll give this a test run. Now we're back inside, and look, I'm quite happy with how well this cuts. It does the job, it works. The price, I think, is quite reasonable for what it is, and this would be handy for anyone to have around in the garden to trim your bushes or trees or plants around the backyard or around the property, or anyone that's got a handyman business or gardening business or something like that. This would definitely be an option to carry it with you, just to cut that odd branch or something like that. Like, I mean, you wouldn't be trimming a hedge with it, but if there's just that one branch that sticks out that you need to cut off, rather than getting out your power tools or your battery chainsaw or something like that, you can just grab that, open it up, cut it off in like 30 seconds and put this away again, and it's job done. And I would definitely recommend it, and I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this. Now, if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour, leave a question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and you found it interesting or useful in the least little bit, do me a favour and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the brand new folding saw, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.